How you Quirkies doing today? Hope you guys are doing awesome. So today you guys, I'm going to show you which two programs I use to make or to edit my videos on my phone. Starting off, we got this app right here. It's called VivaVideo. They have the pro version and they also have the standard version, but I currently use the pro version because it has more components and more features. The second video editing program that I use is called KineMaster. This app is probably one of my most favorite apps ever. So I kind of switch it between VivaVideo and then KineMaster. Much what I basically use to edit my videos on my phone. So starting off with VivaVideo, I feel like this editing program is very simple, it's very easy compared to KineMaster. So starting off, I'm gonna just randomly click on something. I'm gonna click this video right here. I'm gonna act like I'm gonna edit. So obviously, you have different things that you can use. You can have, you can rotate your video this way. You can change the resolution size of it. You can also trim the video to your liking if you choose to. So I'm gonna just click add and I'm gonna click next. And obviously this right here also gives tutorials if you're new to the app, which is awesome. So here's some of the things that they have. They have different themes. If you want to add like a little theme or something to your video, here's an example of one, which I think is super awesome. They even have more than that if you want to choose more. They have it like right here at the little store. You can actually download these themes. They are free. I believe some of them actually cost. I'm not 100% sure. But from what I know, a lot of them are free. So they have different themes, like I said, that you could choose from there. Of course, you could duplicate. They have all these type of features right here that you want to use when you're editing a video. And not only that, but to me, my best and most favorite part is the effects. Here you can add your music, you can add text. They have, let me go back. They have different stickers you can add to your video if you wanted to, which is super awesome. They also have FX. So that's if you want to change the coloration or something like that on your video clip, you can do that, which is absolutely awesome. Look at these crazy cool effects that you can add to your videos. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. They have just different kinds of cool effects right here that you can choose from. And here's the sound if you want to add your own voice or anything like that to your video, you're more than welcome to do so. So to me, like I said, VivaVideo is very simple, but yet it goes straight to the point. So if you like that type of person, I think this app right here will be great for you. And also, you can also add it onto like any type of social media if you wanted to. They have Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, YouTube, and look at the cool like coloration they have for the apps. I think that is so cool. So on to KineMaster. I think this app is absolutely tremendous. This is like one of my favorite apps. This is the one I use mostly when I create my videos. So for an example, I'm just randomly gonna click on one and I'm gonna click right here to edit. So here they have all the features as well, but I feel like this is more on an advanced level, but of course anyone can learn. It's very easy, very simple. Here you have your media there you can pull up from your videos and etc. Right here you have your music if you want to add your own songs and stuff right here. I believe they even have theme music, but okay, well just one that they have. But it's still very easy. You can also add your voice if you want to do so. Right here at the layers, they have 5 different categories you can choose from. One is video, image, stickers, text, and handwriting. Make a separate video and kind of break it down on both apps, on what type of like what the features mean, how it works. I think I'm gonna make a video on how to do that. If you guys want to see that, please feel free to leave that in the comment section below. That way then I can just kind of make another video and kind of explain and go into more depth on what type of components these apps offer. So yeah, you guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to stay quirky, that's highly important. And I will see you guys in my future video. Peace out.